Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about boxes. Now, stick with me, I promise you that it will get interesting. We're not going to cover anything on the labels today, so if you do want to watch something on the labels, I'm going to create a video for you very, very soon, so please consider subscribing just down there. It would mean so much. So let's get into the video. As always, I've created timestamps which you will be able to use if you want to skip to a certain part in the video, because I don't want to waste your time. I want you to get the most out of these videos, and yeah, I appreciate you watching. One of your biggest strengths growing a brand is going to be learning how to steal. Now, hear me out. I love this quote from the book, Steal Like an Artist by Austin Kleon, in which he says, "Nobody is born with a style or voice. We don't come out of the womb knowing who we are. In the beginning, we learn by pretending to be our heroes. We learn by copying. We're talking about practice here, not plagiarism. Plagiarism is trying to pass off someone else's work as your own. Copying is like reverse engineering." I'm going to link the book below if you want to. He does some fantastic books, so I highly recommend checking him out. And it will, I think, give you inspiration in a really positive way. The first example is called Ember Candle Co. The first example is called Ember Candle Co. I found out about these on TikTok. I love the videos of how she creates the packaging, how she puts it all together. She creates really nice videos of her putting together the candles, and this is basically where this video has come from. I've got so much inspiration from watching those videos that I think I wanted to show you some examples. I'm going to look at my computer as I'm doing this just so I can give you an example. So this is the logo, very simple. I think I know which font she used. But let's take a look at, I love this. This is such a cool idea. And this is something I'm definitely going to try, is the wax stamps. I think it just makes it look so good. And I like how she's used different scales of grey for the different candles and stuff. And I think if you got that, or if I got that, I know if I got that, I would definitely feel like that is awesome, that is cool. Let's take a look at one of the videos real quickly. So this is what I'm talking about. This, putting it up, putting the wax candle on it, putting it around in the box. I like the sticker idea. I'm definitely going to try that. And then the wax melt on the top, I just think looks so cool. And I think if you saw this in the shop, it would just, for me, feels like enhance the brand so much more. So think about this when you're doing it for your ideas. I would definitely recommend checking out her TikTok. So many cool examples, and I think you'll find it useful. I will link the pages below for all of the brands that I mentioned today. Let's get on to number two. Number two is called Hazel and Blue, and I think they're based by me I think they're in Bath in the UK. Which is really cool. She focuses more on the kits, the self-making candle kits and stuff, which, if you take a look, I'm going to show again. Look at the screen, so don't mind me. So these are the candle making kits. You can see that she's got her own boxes made, which might not necessarily be good for you at the moment, just because of the cost to get boxes made is very expensive, and you have to get them in bulk. So if you're starting out, I would say look at doing it another way, maybe more like the Ember Candle Co. And I wouldn't look at getting die cut boxes made, because we tried it and it's just very expensive. And then again, I love this example of the hand poured soy candle wax by, and then they've left a space to put the name. So I think people like that, especially with the self-made candle kits. People really like that. So think about that. How can you make it personalized? How can you encourage people to get involved with your brand? And maybe you could do something like that. Maybe you leave somewhere where people can leave a note for a friend, or if they're giving it as a gift or something. Think about that. Like these again are just ideas that you can use for your brand. So please take everything with a pinch of salt, combine it all together, and make it into your own. Again, Steal Like an Artist. We've got one called Whole Meg. This is, I have no idea who this brand is. I literally just found some examples on Pinterest. Again, Pinterest, little plug. If you need any ideas or examples, check out Pinterest. Honestly, they're so good. Love Pinterest. So let's take a look. Let's take a look at this one first. I personally love the little bag. I think that's such a cool idea. Definitely something that I'm going to try. and then I believe it's like leather, or I think it might be cardboard on the top of the candle, as you can see, and then really simple logo. So again, it depends on what your brand is, and if you want to put more packaging, or maybe you want to be more eco-friendly, so you don't want to put as much packaging. Really think about that for your brand, because it depends, and you can make something look so good but really, really simple. So don't necessarily think, oh, I have to go and get wax melts, I have to go and put loads of packaging in and do all this. If you don't want to, you can do something that looks good, will feel good psychologically to your customers, and will feel good for you because you're doing the packaging that you want to do for your brand. Let's take another look at the whole meg example, and this is just something simple, really, really simple. So it looks like they've got, I think it's greaseproof paper or something, and again, really, really simple, or tissue paper with a brown craft. I just touched my screen. I hate touching my screen. With a brown craft tie on it, and yeah, again, really, really simple. And then a stamp. I would like, if you need one thing for your business, I would say is a branded stamp. Get a branded stamp, because it will just help add your branding to things. Those are 3 examples I think you'll find useful. Again, they're all linked below, so if you want to go and check them out, please do. Go and support your other fellow candle makers. And now I've given you some ideas. What I want you to do is to brainstorm. Put together all these ideas. Let me show you. Another really, really good investment is just buying a sketch pad. If you're anything like me, you will love to put ideas down and love to, so these are all copious amounts of ideas. So yeah, this is, I didn't mean to record this, but I'm gonna, because yeah. So these are, that way. These are examples. So that's the box there, the candle, what I want to do with the label, with the wax mount, maybe putting something around it, the booklet, the leaflet that we've got, adding a thank you card with an envelope, and then here, I don't know if you can see it, I'm going to try and hold it, but I've got basically things that I think I'll need. So we're not necessarily going to use these, but I've bought them to test it, because ultimately you want to test it. So you want to brainstorm all these ideas that you have. So you go, I maybe want to try a wax mount. I might want to try wrapping it in the brown craft paper. So again, let me show you. At the minute, we're sending our candles out in something like this. Really, really simple. And then it comes with a little leaflet, which is all branded and stuff. But I wanted to do something a bit more. So, this is hence the reason why I'm recording this video. We've got like on brand colour, I don't even know what it's called. Cotton twine, there you go. On brand colour cotton twine. We've got some little labels that I think would look quite cool. I don't necessarily like the that twine, but yeah, I like the labels and I think they're quite cool. And then again, yeah, like different boxes. So maybe we could try it in a white box with the label, a bit like the Ember Ambleco. Yeah, it's all a case of testing. So like that, we're gonna have. You're gonna focus. Yeah, we're gonna have. These are gonna be like candles so that people can test the scents before they commit to a bigger candle. Again, just all ideas, all different things that we're gonna try, but packaging, I think, is one of the things that you want to spend time on. So now that you've got all of your ideas, I would suggest go out and buy different things that you think will work. So you've got your ideas and you want to try it, buy the different things, and it will cost a little bit of money, but I think it's a good investment for your business. So buy the different things and just spend a good few hours testing and trying what you think will work for your brand, and essentially build a process behind it, because then it's going to be a continuous experience for your customers. So every time your customer gets a candle, they are going to know what they're going to get, and it's going to feel good, and it's not going to be different every single time. Every time they give a candle to someone else as a gift, they know what they're going to give to that other person, and again, it's all part of that experience. So think about that when you are designing your packaging, is how can you make it a process rather than just nice packaging. It might be a bit different every single time, but you want to make it the same. You want to make it a process and build that in. Ultimately, how you package your candles is completely up to you, but remember, it's an experience for your customers, and it's that psychology of opening a package, or the anticipation of opening a package at Christmas Day as a child. Remember how you felt, remember how it felt to open the packet, and I think this is important. Remember that for your candle brand. If you got this far, I want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you have found some things useful in terms of packaging for your candle brand. Keep building that brand. Keep developing, and yeah, make some awesome candles. If you could consider subscribing, that would mean so much. I want to say thank you for watching. Go and build that brand. Bye.